Cheers! Cheers with green tea. Yes, you guessed it right. It's a G today, which is episode number 7 of the Lockdown Diaries in Nutzaboutme. This is one of my favorite face masks. So when your green tea has gone a little cold and it is now a little bitter, don't throw the tea. Use the tea inside the tea bag. So you break open the tea bag and you take out the tea. This is what I'm doing. I'm taking out the tea. I've got a cube of ice in the dish, which is good to just cool it down. So that's a cube of ice, so that's cold water and green tea. And then I have a bit of a pimple coming up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of baking soda, just a wee bit baking soda, and I'm going to put it in my green tea. Just a little bit more. It's really good, very good for acne, pimples, breakouts, clearing up your face. And honey, as I said, always honey, never miss honey on my face. You can do this actually every day. You can put honey on your face every day. Somebody was asking me, can you put these masks every day? Yeah, I can put a different one. Why not? This is green tea with honey and baking soda. Clears out your acne, blemishes, brightens up the skin, antioxidants, and all the goodness of green tea. There are lots of products made with green tea. And as always, after a mask, for 5 minutes, this is just wonderful. Just tap it on your face. And as it's when you're removing it, in the end, scrub it lightly. I'm showing it to you. Just scrub it very lightly. If you've already used a scrub, don't scrub it. Just wash it up. Messy, but really good. Green tea, baking soda, honey, and a little bit of water, which was my ice.